Hello friends, and welcome to my channel today. Today I would like to show you how you can easily be able to make a hydroponic fodder system. And as you can see, we have a structure that we are now constructing, and you can see on the side we are putting the net that is going to control the temperature inside the hydroponic. And also I would like to take you inside so that you can easily be able to see some of the structures that we're putting inside there. Here you can easily be able to see a well that have been dug manually. It is about 90 feet deep, and this is where we usually get our clean water to feed the animals in the farm. At the same time, the same water we shall be using to water the plants in our hydroponic fodder system. So the system is not yet complete, so we are still proceeding on construction. And here is where we are going to place the structures that are going to hold the trays where we are going to put the hydroponic seed. So I hope guys you've enjoyed the video. So remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, enjoy your time.